On behalf of CyberLife, I wish you a very happy holidays. I hope Santa will bring you a CyberLife Android soon.
Only opportunities. Let's explore the possibilities of the universe and make this world our playground.
My creator has been nothing but kind to me, and I am very happy with my current situation.
Je vais vous dire un petit secret. Quand personne n'est là, avec mes copains robots, je regarde les vitres.
Number 10. Desdemona. Desdemona is a versatile robot designed for human-robot interaction. With its sleek design and advanced capabilities, Desdemona aims to bridge the gap between humans and robots in various applications. It is equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and a natural language processing system, enabling it to perceive and understand its environment and communicate with users effectively. Desdemona finds applications in customer service, hospitality, and information assistance, where it can provide information, answer queries, and interact with individuals in a friendly and engaging manner. Its ability to understand human emotions and adapt its responses makes Desdemona an ideal companion for human-robot interaction. In addition to its interactive capabilities, Desdemona possesses the unique ability to sing. With its sophisticated vocal synthesizer and an extensive repertoire of songs, Desdemona can deliver captivating musical performances. Its voice is carefully engineered to produce melodic tones and rich harmonies, mimicking the qualities of human singing. Whether it's performing popular songs, serenading audiences, or entertaining guests in social settings, Desdemona's singing prowess adds an extra dimension to its role as an engaging and entertaining robot. Its singing feature not only showcases its technical capabilities, but also enhances its potential applications in entertainment venues, music events, and even therapeutic settings, where music is known to have a positive impact on individuals' well-being. Number 9. Optimus. Standing at a height of 5 foot 8 and weighing 56.7 kilograms, the Tesla creation known as Optimus appears tailor-made for functioning within human environments. It exhibits the capability to lift approximately 68 kilograms and transport a load of about 20 kilograms. However, its current maximum speed is set at a modest 8 kilometers per hour. Optimus seamlessly integrates with Tesla's autopilot software, employing a complement of appropriate cameras to operate in tandem with the neural network that powers its full self-driving software. This neural network operates akin to the human brain within Tesla's autonomous electric vehicles, utilizing integrated cameras to comprehensively analyze its surroundings. Furthermore, it adeptly identifies and classifies various images and pathways when confronted with obstacles. A noteworthy feature of Optimus is its capacity to assimilate user personalities. It is achieved through the transfer of select cognitive attributes into the robot's framework, including certain aspects of individual personality traits. Number 8. PromoBot. PromoBot is a brand of humanoid service robots developed by a Russian company called PromoBot LLC. PromoBot robots are designed to interact with humans, provide information, and perform various tasks in public spaces, events, and businesses. PromoBot robots have a humanoid appearance with a head, torso, and arms. They are equipped with facial recognition technology, touch screens, cameras, microphones, and speakers, enabling them to perceive and communicate with people. These robots can engage in natural language conversations, answer questions, and provide information on a wide range of topics. PromoBots are often deployed in areas such as airports, shopping malls, hotels, and exhibitions to assist visitors, provide directions, and offer promotional or informational content. They can also be customized with specific functionalities, such as integrating with databases or systems to provide personalized services. Number 7. Unitree Robot Dog. Unitree Robotics is a Chinese manufacturer that specializes in developing, producing, and selling high-performance quadruped robots. The brand offers different types of robot dogs, more affordable than Boston Dynamics Spot Robot and therefore more accessible for use in research and education. The Go-1 robot dog is compact, rapid, and combines several high-performance features. It also benefits from the unique side-follow tracking system and super sensory technology for optimal navigation. Alien Go is ideal for use in professional environments and at industrial sites, as well for research and teaching. It's an exploration robot that offers lots of advantages. Designed for research and development, B1 is the most advanced Unitree Robotics robot dogs. It stands out for its ability to carry heavy loads of more than 40 kilograms. In addition to being waterproof, it can operate underwater thanks to its IP68 protection rating. Number 6. Romeo. Romeo is a humanoid robot developed by PAL Robotics, a company specializing in humanoid robotics based in Barcelona, Spain. Romeo is designed to assist and interact with humans in various applications, particularly in the field of healthcare and assistance. The humanoid robot, standing at approximately 1.40 meters tall, is built to mimic the proportions and movements of a human with articulated arms, legs, and a head. Romeo has the ability to understand and respond to human speech. It incorporates natural language processing capabilities to comprehend verbal commands and engage in dialogue with users. It also features autonomous navigation capabilities, allowing it to move around and navigate its surroundings. It can avoid obstacles, plan paths, and adapt its movements to different environments. Romeo has been used in research projects and pilot programs focused on healthcare, rehabilitation, and assistance for the elderly or individuals with disabilities. It aims to provide support and improve the quality of life for users through its capabilities as a humanoid robot. Number 5. Dragonfly. Dragonfly is a NASA mission that aims to explore Saturn's moon, Titan. It is a rotorcraft lander designed to study the surface and atmosphere of Titan, which is one of the most Earth-like bodies in our solar system. It is designed to take off and land vertically, similar to a helicopter. It will use its rotor system to lift off from the surface of Titan and perform controlled landings at various locations. The Dragonfly mission is scheduled to launch in 2027 and arrive at Titan in 2034. Once it reaches its destination, Dragonfly will conduct a series of flights, hopping from one location to another to explore diverse regions of Titan's surface. Rotorcraft is designed to take advantage of Titan's thick atmosphere, which is 4 times denser than Earth's, allowing it to fly through the air using its propellers. Number 4. Amica. Amica is described as the world's most advanced human-shaped robot, representing the forefront of human robotics technology. Designed specifically as a platform for development into future robotics technologies, Amica is the perfect humanoid robot platform for human-robot interaction. The robot is able to emulate human expressions quite well and answers all questions articulately. Amica is a cloud-connected platform that multiplies the power of artificial intelligence with an artificial body where AI and machine learning systems can be tested and developed alongside Engineered Art's powerful Tritium robot operating system. This allows companies working on robotic research to test their products. Companies creating AI or machine learning technology can use Amica to test and present their technology in front of a live audience. To interact with humans, Amica is also powered by both GPT-3 and human telepresence, which comes with motorized articulation in fingers, arms, and neck. In an interesting demo where the team at Engineered Arts posed the questions, Amica demonstrated automated speech recognition with GPT-3. It's quite interesting to hear how the robot responds to questions with limited instructions. Number 3. Minitor. Minotaur is a quadrupedal robot developed by Ghost Robotics, meaning it has 4 legs, each equipped with multiple joints and actuators. Its design is based on a compliant and lightweight structure, allowing it to move with agility and adapt to various surfaces. It is a highly dynamic and agile robot that excels in traversing challenging terrains. It combines advanced mechanical design, sensing capabilities, and control algorithms to achieve remarkable mobility and stability. The robot's unique leg configuration allows it to move with speed, agility, and precision. Minotaur stands as an impressive example of Ghost Robotics' expertise in creating advanced legged robots capable of operating in demanding environments. Its robust construction enables it to operate in both indoor and outdoor scenarios, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Number 2. Chloe. Chloe is an RT-600 android in Detroit become human. She is the first android model perfected by CyberLife. There have been several subsequent optimized Chloe models made in her likeness, such as the ST-200. RT-600 Chloe was the first CyberLife android perfected by Elijah Kamsky, released in 2021. As the first personal assistant built by CyberLife, she is designed to help humans with everyday tasks, such as doing housework and making appointments. She is also the first android to pass the Turing test. By publicly passing face-to-face tests in 2022, Chloe ensured CyberLife's success. When asked more about passing the Turing test during her conversation with KNC, Chloe said, "I really didn't do much, I just spoke with a few humans to see if they could tell the difference between me and a real person. It was a really interesting experience, but this is the first time in history that man has created a machine more intelligent than himself." Chloe looks very attractive, has long blonde hair in a low ponytail that drapes over her left shoulder, blue eyes, and pale skin. She wears navy eyeshadow with pink lip gloss. She is formally dressed, wearing a dark blue dress that reaches her knees with no shoes. Number 1. Albert Einstein. On the first day of the 2021 World Robot Conference in Beijing, a Chinese-speaking humanoid resembling Albert Einstein stole the spotlight. Among the 500 intelligent machines exhibited in the capital city's E-Town, this android stood out as one of the most advanced ever developed, communicating fluently in Mandarin. As visitors entered the hall, Albert Einstein's humanoid immediately caught their attention with its advanced features and modern technology. Its realistic facial expressions, including blinking eyes, smiling, and serious expressions, along with the intricate movements of its knuckles and lifelike skin, showcased the rapid progress of science and technology. The exhibition demonstrated how intelligent robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and capable of human-like interactions. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.